SurveyCTO is the most reliable, secure, and flexible platform for offline mobile data collection. Built by researchers for researchers, SurveyCTO is designed to address many of the challenges you face every day. For example, you may be worried about human error in your data that can introduce bias and lead to inaccurate results. Enumerators, after all, have a hard job. SurveyCTO has a suite of quality control features that let you automatically sift through thousands of surveys, flag errors, and make corrections. We've built quality control best practices into the technology. If you need to design long, complex forms, SurveyCTO allows you to create the exact data collection instrument you want. Whether you're using the online form designer or spreadsheet templates. No matter the length or complexity, your forms will perform reliably on any iOS or Android device. Complex form designs require careful testing to be sure that they are error-free. SurveyCTO's Form Inspector allows you to test forms in your browser, check for errors, and make quick edits seamlessly. To save you precious time and resources spent manually exporting and formatting data for further analysis and visualization, SurveyCTO not only lets you download data pre-formatted for tools like Stata and SPSS, but you can also directly integrate SurveyCTO with external tools and databases of your choice for automatic data streaming. SurveyCTO's project management tools make it easy to scale your use as your needs change. For one hassle-free price, you get unlimited forms, devices, storage, and users, as well as 24/7 access to professional support. For researchers who are collecting sensitive information and need to protect data and respondents, SurveyCTO was built security first. You can keep your data encrypted end-to-end and make use of fine-grained user permissions to ensure that only appropriate team members can access your data and survey forms. And with SurveyCTO, getting fast, helpful support when you need it is easy. To create the most sophisticated forms and workflows and collect your highest quality data, take advantage of 24/7 access to incredibly responsive support staff with in-field research experience, extensive product documentation, and a variety of other help resources, including an online training course. In response to the dynamically changing needs throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, SurveyCTO has continued to provide a variety of resources and robust functionality for safe, remote data collection. Examples of these remote data collection features include the CATI Starter Kit, which offers an automated and scalable approach to using SurveyCTO for phone surveys. This includes full call management functionality within SurveyCTO Collect, so you can launch and control calls within your forms. And it even includes the option for two-way audio recording for data quality and training. For decentralized teams, remote enumerator device management features allow for easy, secure, and safe configuration of one or all devices. SurveyCTO also introduced the Save People and Data initiative in collaboration with our users to focus on technology innovations, provide vast resources, and forward-looking best practices from diverse global practitioners. For improved data security on mobile devices, we added the option for private in-app data storage. This way, your data is not accessible to other apps on the device. And we strengthened app password requirements. In addition to adding new security features, SurveyCTO also engaged with an independent auditing firm to achieve SOC 2 Type 1 certification. But there's much more to learn. Visit our website for more information. And to get started today, sign up for a free trial and join the global community of SurveyCTO users.